Anyway, today my house is a complete disaster. So I will be doing a nice fun cleaning video for you all today. I'm really excited to be back. So let's get to it. So gross. As you can tell, I have not dusted for about 2 weeks, which is absolutely horrible. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but obviously we had little hands here. And it's so dusty, you can see everything. I know. It's disgusting. So, let's go ahead and get it cleaned up. So I just ran out of this. So good thing I have one more. It's a different smell, but I think the smells together will be amazing. Here is a brand new bottle of the Hawaiian Breeze. I think this one and the Fresh Scent are my favorites. yeah, before I tackle the kitchen, I'm definitely gonna have my breakfast because it is a mess. And my husband even asked me the other day, are you feeling okay? Because I really haven't done a whole lot in the past few days, so yeah, it needs to get done. So I just want to say thank you. And this is gonna be quite the cleaning of the kitchen. So stay tuned. That dirty, not me. Yeah, that's kind of gross. I think we're gonna get out the pink stuff and clean all that disgustingness up, or at least most of it. It takes up a lot of it. And this is a Scrub Daddy sponge. Has the sponge and then the Scrub Daddy part on the back here. I also have just a plain Scrub Daddy that I use, but I like this one too. Doesn't scratch the stove or anything like I've done in the past trying to get this stuff up. All right, guys, look at that. Pretty nice.
Hey all, I just wanted to let you guys know that anything that I've used in this video will be linked in the description box down below. Video. If you could give a big thumbs up, that would be awesome. It helps my channel so much. Have an amazing day and an amazing rest of your week. I sure appreciate all of you. Everybody, I hope you have a great day, and thanks again. Love to all, and I'll see you next time.